I've picked up a CB radio from, I would guess, the early 80s, if not the late 70s, but I'm going to say early 80s. I'll see if I can find out doing a bit of research, and I'll put the answer down by here. But this one, there's no sound. So apparently it is working. You do get movement on the dial, but there's no sound. So we're going to take a look. Got a box for it as well, look at that. The first thing we need to do is put some batteries in. I'm not going to do much of the batteries on this one. It takes 8 AA's. So, let's get them in. Right, let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens here. Is that in? Yeah. A chunky old monkey, innit? Right, so switch it on. Right, see? We press this. Right, there's a squelch. And there's nothing. There's the bands. Alright, so pressing that, look. There is signal. There's definitely signal. It's just whether... I don't know what that means actually. It's probably... It is working, but there's no sound. Absolutely no sound at all. So, I think the best course of action here is to take it apart. So I'll just take that and move that out of the way and leave that as it is. So the first thing, that's the screw hole, because I can see the thread. You might not be able to because of the light. And I don't know if you can see down there as well, but there's no screw down there either. Great. So this has been apart before. Oh god, you don't want to come apart. Oh. Right, yeah, it's been glued at some point along the way. Yeah, glued or taped? Taped. Tape, look. Yeah, tape. So that's the aerial. Filthy in here, innit? Right, here we are. Sure. God, look at all the bulk circuitry in here. Oh, it's a beast. It is a beast. But there's the speaker. That's the squelch part. That's the volume part. But it also the on and off switch. So we'd say that's working to a certain extent because it's switching on and off. So we're going to have to get it out of here. Oh, right, so that's how the knobs come off. Old school. Old school press and fit. Don't know about this one. I imagine that is pretty much the same deal, is it? Yeah. It's got to be a bit gentler with this one, so move him out the way. Right, so we've got some screws in here. One. See, that's the one missing there. And the one missing here. I don't know why they're missing. Because the threads are still there. Don't know. Strange. Bring you in a bit. So if I take these out, in theory, it should come apart. Is there any more? No, I can't see any. Where's my tweezers? And where's that other one? Oh, it's still there. Yeah. So there you're out. I see, now that screw there was just for this. Wasn't for that, by the looks. So how does this come apart then? Just pops out, does it? Yeah, it looks that way. It's just obviously tight from age. There we are. This switch here, which joins into the, just disconnect that. Still doesn't want to come out. So the question is what? Oh, right, wait there now. So that wants to come out there and there. It's just this top end that don't want to come out. I'm going to take that screw out anyway. You never know. I honestly don't think it's connected, but let's take it out anyway. I didn't think so. I think it's the speaker that's holding it in. Think is the word here. Think. I don't know. I'm just thinking. See if I just gently. What is keeping it down? So it comes up there. It comes out here. Oh, that's happy to come out. Ah, is it this? Come to think. Yes, there we are. We got it in the end, but oh, kind of. Right. God, I don't give you any room to play with, do they? So that speaker cable there is attached. Right, if I get that speaker out. And if I get this out here as well. Right, so here's the speaker. Oh! Sugar, where did that go from? There, is it? No. Yeah. Oh, I don't know. No, because that's a charging port. So why would that speaker need to go there? I'm going to have to look back on the video, I think. Right, I had to go back and check the video. Because I couldn't see for the life of me where this white speaker cable went. I thought it came from there. But that's just an overshoot of the wire they haven't trimmed. Where it's actually come from is here, look. See? Right there. So it's that one there. So I'm going to take that out. Move that green wire out of the way. So it's that one there, I think. Yeah, it's that one there. So I'm going to take it out. And then think about the best course of action. So leave it in here, that's that way, but we'll ask me a load of good that will. That's the sheath inlet come out there. Now why it came off was this one here. So what I think I'm going to do is take that, remove this white wire, get some fresh white wire, do it a bit longer, that'll do. Put that in it. Just green wire, bugger off. I wonder if this is the cause. Oh, not that cause. So let's get this now over to you. Is there a hole on here? Let me clean this up. Yeah, there is. I can feel it. I can feel it coming in the air tonight. There it is. I test this speaker while we do. It's pretty on ohms. Right, so it's a 25 ohm speaker. $23.9, close enough. It's close enough for me. Well, man, it's close enough, man. Right. Let's just turn this up. If it stays still. Just need to lift this up a bit. Like that. Put that through. Like that. And then we can try and get out of there and just bend it back around. Like that. Then there. Turn this the fan off a minute. Now, would that have been our problem? Was that the issue? Do you know what I forgot to do? I was going to put that rubber sleeve back on, but I can't see a need for it, to be honest with you. Because it's insulated all the way through anyway, so it doesn't matter. Batteries. Let's see what's what now. So, which way does this go? Like that. No. We still have 0 sound. So it wasn't that wire. Is that gauge still working? No, it's not. So we ain't going to catch a connection with the battery for some reason then, have we? So what's gone wrong here now then? Why is this not working at all? Let's have a look at these battery terminals. They're not great, are they? In fact, they're quite shocking. Apologies for the weird angles, but this is such a weird shape to work on. The friggin' amps. Put the fan back on. Look. Oh, God. Oh, my word. Oh. couple of years off. I haven't got long left now. Oh, oh. Just check continuity now. Yeah. No. We haven't got continuity on the red. There we are. It's going to be a problem, isn't it? Let's have a look. Oh, wait there. Is that the right red wire? Am I following the right red wire? There's two of them. And the answer is no. And it's come off here, look. There's me. I was following the wrong red wire. Ah! It's come off there. Crying out bloody loud. I won't make mistakes. That's my mother. Right. Mess on my mat. Okay, so back to you now. I'm going to lift that up. Lift this up. So get that through there. Get the tweezer then. Bring it back up and fold it over. Well, try to anyway. There. Right, so let's try it now. Come on, yes, one. Hear that? That was sound. That was sound. Have a look what the meter's doing. Where's the meter gone? Oh, we have got sound. Meter's on. That's good. Here we are. Hello, hello, hello. Right, let's disconnect that. The nightmare thing is I've run out of contact cleaner spray, I think. I don't think there's anything in yet. I'll give it a go though. Oh, wait, there we go a little bit. Not much else. Yeah, to get some more of that. Work it back and forth. Can feel it coming smoother. Same here. So, have I got some screws I can use? I should do. Have I got some screws I can use? Ooh, 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 ooh. Got ones that are very similar, actually. There we are. I'll just tidy up and we'll give it a little test. Right, here we are. All nice and clean now. Wrong way. Come on now, Ed. Wake up. Right, moment of truth. Yes! This aerial is huge. As you can see. It's still going. Right. Hello? Hello? Anyone here? Breaker 19, this is the Bandit. 10-4 Rubber Duck. No one here at all, is there? Let's try Billy. 10-4 Rubber Duck. There's a smoky on your tail. I'm going to go for a 10-4 in a minute. No, a 10-2. No, 10-100. Ah! Again, there's no one listening, is there? Let's try C. Breaker 19. Breaker 19. We got a Kojak with a Kodak. Anyone reading me? Over. Roger, over. Over, Roger. There's no one there. Is there anyone there? Anyone? Anyone? Hello? Hello? Right. No one there.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.